Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make this bracelet by Kumihimo Braid. Let's get started. Let's get ready. You need 16 pieces of thread. Also, 3 different colors. I choose pink, red, and green. 1 pink, 4 red, and 11 pieces of green thread. And each one of them has to be same length. Mine are 20 inch, and I tie the knot at one end, and I will untie this knot so it's gonna be tight, but it's not too tight. Okay, you can choose different color as well, but the number of the thread has to be 1, 4, and 11. Okay, now you set up the thread. Okay, 1 pink goes to number 8. Okay, you have to hook every thread followed by my instruction. There's 4 red goes to 1, 16, 17, and 32. Okay, please make sure about it. The red goes 1, 32, then bottom 16 and 17. Okay, now I have an 11 green goes to 4, 5, 9, 12, 13, 20, 21, 24, 25, 28, and 29. Just take your time. This is very important. You have to hook every single thread into right number. Otherwise, the design will change. Okay? This you will start braiding, and there's 3 rules. These rules are very important, and I will actually tell you in a minute. Also, one more thing you have to remember. Sometimes, the thread becomes kind of loose, so here and there you have to kind of pull and snuggle and kind of make sure it's tight enough. Okay, here comes rule number 1. The round disc shift to a counterclockwise. Always counterclockwise. Rule number 2. Always start with top thread. Top thread. Okay? Rule number 3. Okay? Pick up top right. Then hook bottom right side. Then pick up left side of the thread, then hook left side of that thread. That's rule number 3. And counterclockwise, pick right side from the top, then hook right side of the bottom, then pick up left side, goes left side top, then shift counterclockwise. And after this, just keep doing same thing. Super easy. And I just want to mention one more thing. The finished product will be about half length of you prepared. So I prepared 20 inch of the thread. Then my finished product was about the 10 to 11 inches. Okay, so if you want to make longer length, you have to actually prepare longer thread. Simple. And again, you just keep doing this until your desired length. It's so simple. Pick up top right and hook on to the right bottom. Then now you pick up the left bottom and hook onto the left top left. Okay? Now it's done. So you take every single thread off from the disc and let's see the design. Okay, there you go. Again, you can pick different color. Okay, it doesn't have to be same color. And today I am going to show you how to make a bracelet without any end cap or jumping ring or anything like that. I'm not going to use any tool. Okay, the first of all, with the end tail, wrap around the main cord and tie the knot like that and pull little hard. Make sure it's not gonna, untied. And you do exactly same thing the other side, but remember you tie the knot at the very beginning, so you untied now. Then again, that end tail you wrap around the main cord, which is one piece, so it's hard to explain, but wrap around and then tie the knot. Benefit of this method, you don't need to use any tool. Also, it's adjustable. Okay, if you have a thicker wrist or the skinny wrist, or you can actually use as anklet as well. Okay, and you don't really want to buy any tool to make fancy accessory. You don't need to. So teenage kid can make this in the summer vacation if you have nothing to do. It's a great project as well. Kumihimo braid is very interesting method to make those braid, and there's so many different type of design. In the future, I will show you how to use the square disc. Also, you can actually add beads into the braid, so it's gonna be more fun. Okay, so enjoy. Bye for now.